Hi, I'm Eleni.
And I'm Emily.
And today we're going to talk about something that comes up all the time. So you're a learner rider.
Correct.
But one of the things when you learn to ride is I usually drive and I take a handbag and I take a laptop to work. And one of the barriers is I can't ride to work because I can't fit anything. What are the options and what do you use?
So you can get saddlebags which attach to the motorcycle, which is great if you have a handbag.
Saddlebag, as in I'm thinking, old lady, what's a saddlebag?
So it's a big compartment that go on either side of the bike. They come in like a soft leather or a plastic, all different types, and you can lock them up, which is really good because if you walk away from your motorcycle, your stuff's still protected.
Okay, so they just sit on the back of the bike?
Yeah, some bikes come with them, or otherwise you can buy them aftermarket. And
so a saddle as in like a horse?
Like a horse.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Otherwise, I invested in a good quality backpack.
Yeah.
I find it's just easier to transfer everything from handbag to my backpack when I'm riding.
So if I wanted to keep a handbag, I can just pop them into the saddlebags, or backpack you wear on your back?
Yes.
Or you can throw that in the saddlebag too.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's a very cute
It's a very girly backpack.
All right, so let's do the test. Can you fit everything that I've got in this handbag in that backpack?
Definitely. So computer's probably the biggest one.
Which doesn't fit in my bag.
When you're buying a backpack, it's good if it's got little compartments in it because everything fits in nicely and doesn't rock around.
And do you wear yours on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't stick it in the saddlebag.
So trouser.
Is there anything in particular we need when riding to take with us?
So always have your wallet. You need your ID, obviously.
Your license.
And then just a bit of money if you need petrol or you want to get food on the way, anything like that. I always take my mobile phone with me. Keys, obviously, to start the bike. And then I take a toiletries bag, tissues, sunglasses, anything that you'd carry in a handbag. You just pop it in your backpack.
You fitted more in the backpack.
I probably could keep going, to be honest.
You're good. So you've got all of that. So that you wear on your back?
Yes.
But we might go have a look at what a saddlebag looks like because I'm still picturing a horse. All those beautiful Christian Dior saddlebag bags. You know those really nice.
No.
No. Okay. Motorcycle saddlebags, which can come in leather or they're hard as well.
Yeah, you can get hard ones as well.
Let's go have a look at one of those.
So here we have a saddlebag. All you have to do is open it up, pop your bag in, close it up, and you're ready to ride.